In our last video, we investigated the modal verbs, and today we are going to look at one of the prime suspects, the modal auxiliary can. Now, the modal verb can be used in a number of ways in English language. So, let us see how it can be used effectively. Now, the first feature or the first use that we are going to look at is can be used to seek permission. For example, can I go there? Next, it can be used when a person is permitting someone to go somewhere. You can leave now. And in the third case, we see, for example, a sentence like, you cannot do that in my class. Now, in this particular sentence, we see that the modal verb can has been used to deny permission to someone. So, this is the first usage. This is the first way in which we can use the modal verb can. Let us quickly move on to the next feature. The next feature is can is often used to indicate possibility. Now, what do we mean by possibility? For example, if there is a sentence, this road can be blocked. So, it shows that it is possible to block this road. For example, if I mention another sentence, accidents can occur anytime. So, it shows that there is a possibility that accidents can occur at any time. So, it does not show that the road is blocked at present. It is only indicating that there is a possibility that it is possible to block this road. This difference should be kept in mind, that it indicates a possibility, not narrates the present situation. Let us look at the next usage. Now, can be used to indicate ability. He can speak in English. He can sing. So it shows that the person is capable or is able to sing well. For example, if I say he can lift this heavy bag, it shows that he has the ability or power to lift this heavy bag. So these are the main usages of can. If you have found this discussion helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting snippets of grammar. Thank you for watching.